Alright guys, this is another airdrop called TRIBEX. Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to earn this airdrop for free. Dice Media TV, this channel is there to help you earn money online, especially on cryptocurrency. Alright, so those on YouTube, I'll be leaving the link in the description box. So kindly, at the title of this video, you'll be seeing a small arrow. At the title of this video, you'll be seeing an arrow at your right hand side. Tap there, you'll be seeing a drop box. You'll be seeing the airdrop referral link there. When you tap on it, it will redirect you to Telegram bot like this. Please, majority do ask me of videos that I should add the contract address. Through the process of the video, everything is being done, so kindly take your time to watch the video and partake in it very well. So that is it. Let's continue. So when you open and the Telegram bot the Telegram bot comes, all that you have to do now is go to start. Then you follow it says join the advertisers channel. So after you join, you go back. So it says after that, then click what next. It says follow us on Twitter, so you can follow. This one is optional, but for the sake of the new members, I have to teach you how to follow people or follow their Twitter account. So for the new users, you'll be seeing follow on top like this. So all that you have to do is go to follow, then you are done. Then you come back to the Telegram bot, then you go to next. It says hello, welcome to TRIBEX airdrop. So here's our referral link that you can give to others to also benefit from the project. Or the referral gives you 2 TRIBEX and the minimum withdrawal is 20 TRIBEX. So it means you have to get 10 people before you can withdraw from this project. And this is built on the Binance smartchain. This is their contract address, and this is the referral link that will be given to others to register under you to gain your free airdrop. So here's the contract address, and then here's your dashboard. It gives you your username, your ID, your referral. So each referrer, they will get, if you refer one person 1, and your balance will be 2 here. So when you get 10, here will be 20. So their minimum withdrawal is 20. Alright, so thank you very much on that. So I'm going to help you to set up the contract address. So we are going to copy this. You paste it in where the message is. Then you copy the contract address only. So as you can see, this where the 0 starts, you copy, then you delete the rest. You go back to your Trust wallet. I'm going to teach you how you get your own contract address. Then when you get your minimum withdrawal at 20 TRIBEX, you do what? You do withdraw it. So you go to that symbol on top here. You paste in the address at the search button. Then you'll be seeing it says add custom tokens. Then you select the network as BNB smartchain. you paste the address. So you'll be seeing everything will be filled automatically like this. You go to done. Alright, so for those in Ghana, this is the current rate of the coin is 5.24. So for you to get your contract address, you just have to go to receive, you go to copy, then you go back to your Telegram bot. So anytime you get your minimum withdrawal, when they ask you to enter your BSC wallet, that is where you are going to go. You will go into your Trust wallet, then you go and copy the TRIBEX address. So let me teach you. So when you go to the wallet, you will see it will be added to your wallet account. So all that you have to do is go here, you tap on it, you go to receive, then you copy. So let's take, for instance, I want to withdraw. So they ask me for the smartchain. They'll ask me to enter my number of amount that I want to withdraw. So when you get 20 or more, so let's take for instance 50, then you submit. It says the existence is not enough, so means there is nothing in my account. So thank you very much. Refer more people and enjoy for this project. Thank you. Please kindly keep in mind, airdrop are 100% free. Don't pay any fee or any penny for any airdrop. Also, do your own research before joining any airdrop. Keep in mind, not every airdrop will succeed. Lastly, kindly subscribe to the channel, like to the video, and leave a comment. Thank you. See you in another video.